Hi guys, I'm here at the Aquaculture Center here on Kosrae Street. We are having a tour here today. But man, I'm just amazed by the numbers of giant clams and the clams and the produce that they make around here. We're looking at about more than, I want to say more than 7 million in sea clams. So, I hope you enjoy our tour today, and thank you for tuning in. Holy mackerel! Now look at this bugger right here. That's a giant clam we got. Holy mac. Now check this out. This establishment that we are standing on was constructed back in 1991, operated by the FSM National Government, Department of Resources and Development Fisheries Section, and carried out giant clam restocking and small-scale farmer grow-out operation. This facility also assisted the Kosrae State Fisheries Department to raise trochus and turbo green snail for restocking effort. Today we are guided by one of the center's local workers who has been an employee of the center for over 10 years. Right. Dali ako ito na ngayon. Okay. Well, hello, Mr. Sleeping Clam. Since the year 2005 until today, the National Aquaculture Center in Kosrae was leased to a private company, namely Micronesia Marketing and Management Enterprise, continues to farm giant clams, particularly Tritacna maxima and Tritacna rosea. The current status of aquaculture in the FSM is presently focused on almost exclusively in Panay Bay and Kosrae. This remains the only true commercial aquaculture operation in the country. What kind of fish is that? We occasionally place coral reef fish to help maintain cleaning of these tanks. These brown algae you see afloat on the surface? Right. This will eventually destroy our clams. My amazement continues as I stumble upon this amazing saltwater sea clam at this establishment. I mean, they have this distinctive blue and purple deep blue color on them. An adult sea clam can produce up to 1 million eggs. To me, I find it very fascinating. For those of you agriculture uppies would know exactly what I'm talking about. Go. Man, relax, bro. Like, oh. So, si Michael, film ba? Sila di ko sila kung Michael. Watch one now. One can produce million eggs. So, ngayon mix yan lagi mga akin. Akala mo siya na. Thank you folks for spending that 13 minutes with us. That's it for this vlog. If you are enjoying our content here on this channel or this video in particular, let us know by hitting that like button. Send us a comment so we can produce more of this type of content in the future. Or if you ever stayed food on this island, make sure you check out our friends here at National Aquaculture Center right on the Kosrae Road. Once again, Brother here right here with you. Thank you, and I shall see you at the next vlog.